Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers Cheap Eagle Local and Long Distance Movers near me. Eagle is a small town located in Alaska, USA. With a population of about 7,500, Eagle qualifies as a small town. Being located in a remote area, most of the youth here dream of getting out of town to move forward in life. But people feel immense pressure while moving out of the town where they were born and raised. Apart from all the emotional pressure you feel, there are a lot of other concerns like legal formalities, paperwork, and the shifting of all your belongings to the new location. But even this issue can be resolved just by making one move, hiring a professional like 3Movers. You might think that, how can a professional reach somewhere as remote as Eagle? Well, 3Movers don't care. No matter how remote the area you are located in, 3Movers will reach you without any hesitation. But I have trust issues and don't even trust my knowns very easily. How can I trust someone completely unknown to me? So yes, it's hard to trust an unknown. But when you talk about 3Movers, they are trusted by thousands and can go to our website and read the reviews of the people whom we have served. We have already given too many reasons to hire us. But in case you are still not satisfied, here are some more reasons why 3Movers should be your first choice. We use secure wrapping material. We provide access to wholesome shifting services, packing, loading, shifting, and resettling your items. Never deny any assignment. Active communication. Reliable, fast-moving service. Insurance on belongings. Affordable prices. Punctuality. Licensed firm. Offer last-minute shifting. Trained staff. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.